How to view contacts saved in Google account. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Google in your mobile device. And here you have to make sure that you're logged in with the same Google account where you have backed up or saved your contacts to. And once you make that sure, now navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner. Then from here, tap on Google account. Now once you land on Google account page here, scroll down a bit and then tap on privacy and personalization. Here scroll down, and if you keep on scrolling down, there you will find an option to download your data. So on the delete or download your data section, so tap on download your data. Then you will be taken to next page where it says Google Takeout. Here scroll down a bit and there you will observe that all of this option has been selected. So what you have to do is first of all tap on deselect all, and once you do that, scroll down a bit. Now you only have to choose the contacts since you want to view the contacts saved in your Google account. So we only need contact here, so tap on contact. After you're done with that, scroll down at the very end, then tap on next step. Now here first of all you have to choose the destination to your file, so tap on this drop down box. Here you will have multiple options to choose from, either to add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or Box. Here the best destination will be via your email, so click on first option. Then scroll down a bit, then it says frequency. If you would like to export once, choose the first one, or if you would like to export the file every 2 months of 1 year, then choose the second option. And if we scroll down a bit, there you will find file type and file size. So first of all, choose the zip file, and under that you can choose any size of file that you want. Here I will just leave it as 2 MB, then tap on create export. After that, it says your files are currently being prepared, which can take a long time to complete. You will receive a mail when your export is done, and once you receive a mail with your file in it, you can simply download that file. Here I already have this file ready, so open up the Gmail in your mobile device if you already have that file, and you can simply download this file to view all your contacts. Now let's download this file. Now for your verification, it will ask you to enter your password. Now once I verified, your file will get downloaded, so simply open up this file. Now once the file is downloaded, you can open up this file that says Takeout. Now then tap on contacts. Now if you would like to view all your contacts, select all contacts. You can choose any one from here. I will choose this one, then tap on this contact. Now you can open all the contacts with the default contact in your mobile device or simply view the file. So I will just go with the file here, and in this way you can view all your saved contacts from your Google account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.